What's up guys? मैं पाकिस्तानी गेमर हूँ and today we are going to uh, play more Roblox. Yeah guys, if you like this Roblox series and enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will really help me out a lot and a lot. And soon I'll load a lot of Minecraft series and all that stuff and more Roblox if you all like this. And I also had a new cursor. Wonder if you guys like it. See, it like kind of like yeah makes it like change color. You can see through. It's pretty cool. Comment if you like it. And let's see if we can go for a goal of at least 2 likes. 2 likes seems super hard. But guys, I think we can do it, huh? Let's can do it, guys. So I didn't really start the episode like straight away on the game because I kind of feel like yeah, you know. And you guys can also play Roblox Brookhaven and all that stuff out if you want to. You've seen that in the last episode. I was like being poor and that, and I didn't get the most luck. But yeah, guys, we were doing pretty good. We were actually pretty good at it. Yeah, with some background noises or no, it's kind of easy. I also want to guys comment down below if you like more of my Minecraft videos or Roblox videos or if you want to again make more Dance to New Orleans videos and soon maybe I'll upload hello get guest videos too. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Yeah. So of course I won't be in the like yeah that costume but but we need to go to which avatar firstly we need to of course it's is that size small or big guys? What the okay that's is so weird. Okay. I don't know what my doing for minus it. Oh, minusing maybe it. Firstly, we need to have a good size. I think size 1 works for us, guys. So that works. Now, we also need a different face. Do we? We don't really need it because I feel like I can wear a mask. But let's go for a. So my favorite one was this one. I've tried it before I started my channel. That one I thought was also good. So oh, if I was playing a regular Brookhaven like a billionaire, then I couldn't have chosen that. That's kind of cool. How about this? Oh yes, that I think worked because then yeah. Okay, I will run with that. Well, I don't think it's the best costume, but yeah. I think this one might work pretty good. Now we need like something covering our eyes, because then if people see it exactly, it won't be too like, yeah, hiding. Yeah, I think these one work, guys. Okay. Now we look and set off. Now what we need to do is customize a job and our name. Let's name ourselves. Should we name ourselves? I think Robert. Good second. That is good for us. And mainly I go for red because you know, it kind of will like, because I'm like a murder guy, so that's why. I also wanna go for red here because YouTube logo has a red on. Okay, so now we run the basic stuff. Okay, now we need to get stuff from the backpack. One thing we only pretty much need is C4s. Let's grab this gun. We're gonna grab that. Okay, now we kind of sick, you know, guys. For some reason it says blocks, but it's supposed to say Roblox, I think, guys. It's C4s first thing first. I can show you an example, guys, how C4 works. Then you just blows up the stuff. Like that. Anyways, here. What the? King of Brookhaven plus some air. Who is that guy? Okay, guys, I think we should also have like a custom van thingy, so we can like put all our money and like, you know, look like heisty. So like people like you know, some people might be scared and some people might be like they want to join my team. Like, yeah. Roblox is the most smoothest game, so I don't know if it feels laggy for you guys. Oh, okay. We should go for maybe this color. Yeah, I've actually tried that on the sign last time when remember guys, when I was doing the food challenge at that time. Yeah. Okay. Into the van, and now to somehow find the bank, and we're gonna feast. So if the episode ends too quickly, I might like maybe do like shout outs and subscriber shout outs, or if maybe comment down below. Maybe I should instead like, guys, if you play this game, I like to do with heist on people's house, and it's a very cool thing actually. Mate, भाई क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, people are very mad these days. I just need a green thing. Bob. Okay, good. Now what you do is just go here, you enter it, you do that, you use a C4s, place it there. It's not working, guys. Why? Hello? Hey, okay. Yeah, be work cool. And have to turn that use your items, grab the money, press 4 and then just get out. Yeah. That's how you regularly could do a bank heist. It isn't the simplest thing because people don't know like how to get over there. So yeah, someone stole my van. So now I want something cool. Like for example, Momo. Once like before it started my channel, I played Roblox Good Haven, and I was rich, and I saw a bunch of random criminals, and they were like um keep going in the bank vault, and they like keep this we just kept take heisting the bank. Like yeah, I know the best animation. I think this one. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now we should get the house. I think. Not all like criminals have houses really, but yeah, not really. Okay, how about this one? Is it good? I think it is. Let's now. Okay, can I go? Hello, hello. Oh, I think it's BB because yeah. Oh my god, that's weird. Okay. Now I go back to the house option. This and now. No, I want to find the same house. But this one, no, that one's ugly. That one is owned, 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 owned. This is kind of a lonely house. I want a cool one. Man, a lot of people have houses. Lake house? Whoa, this is what the? I mean, I didn't even wanted to take the house, man. Come on, man. I didn't even want to take the house. Doesn't matter. We'll just have our house right next to the Coke bar. Okay. No, I actually want a new house. I want a new house. No. No, I wanted a new house. I want to delete that one. I want to search for a cool one. Okay, we'll go with this one. Okay, I'm being honest. I'm not being like I want this complete same house. Oh, someone is rich here. Buy the helicopter. That's kind of bank heists. So I need a very big house with a bunch of computers. Like the best, biggest house. Mainly you need VIP for like tall houses. The best one if you're doing a bank heist, I would prefer this one. Because my reason is that but it like was hacking completely tools. See guys inside when she will like was hacking computer things which are also very helpful. So now as I told you the video was pretty good. I think now I'll do the bank. You might not understand this if you're new in the game. Well, technically the game, but yeah, you know. Okay, guys. First thing you just go to the house, any house you find, and make sure it is not locked. Okay, do not make it be that it is locked. Okay, because then you can't obviously like just force people to open their house doors because that's not possible really. I mean if they're dumb they could do it, If they're 2000 IQ, they will not do it. Oh, this house has elevator. What this one? Nah, wrong one. Oh, you can. Oh, wait, what? It's so short. Is it supposed to be short? I don't think it's supposed to be short, guys. Think I can go down again. This is another station. Wait, what is this? Go. I keep this safe. Oh my gosh. If I'm right, it has to be in the. Wait, can go up again. How did I not know that? Okay, guys. So first we find this thingy in somebody's house. We've done that. You place the C4. Oh my gosh. I hate this. Come on. So when you don't have the C4 in your hand, that means it's like exposed. You can't. Bro. Come on.